Hello guys, and welcome back to another lesson on WordPress. So in this lesson I'm going to show you how we can create a forum very easily using two themes. I showed you already how to create a multi-vendor website, so now I'm going to show you how you can create a very cool forum, and it's pretty easy. So you're gonna need only two plugins. So one of them is BBPress and the other one is BuddyPress. So these two plugins, they used to be one plugin, but later on they split it in two. So basically it's going to help us create a good plugin, okay, or a good forum. Okay, so what's a forum? Forum is a place where or a site where people discuss about different topics, and they ask questions and get answers. Whoever knows the answer, they give the answer there. Okay, so that's basically a forum, a discussion site. All right, so we're going to create a discussion site, a forum. So to do that, very basically, we're going to go and get our forum. So if you want, you can clear out all of this from your dashboard because it looks very messy. So after clearing that, just go to screen options and you can just deselect all of these. All right, just like that, and now it's all clear. All right, so keep the WordPress dashboard clear, it looks much better, so if anything comes up you can know immediately. All right, so let's go and install these two plugins. All right, so we're gonna go to plugins and we're gonna add new plugin, and we're gonna type in, first one is BBPress plugin. So this is the plugin by BBPress contributions. So we're going to install this plugin first off. All right, so it's installed, we'll activate it later. So second we'll get the BuddyPress. Search for BuddyPress. Okay, so this is the BuddyPress, all right, by BuddyPress community. All right, so install it. All right, once it's installed, we're gonna go to installed plugins. All right, so we have these two plugins now installed. So I also have this WP reset. We don't need it right now, just delete it. All right, so these two plugins, now we're going to activate it. Okay, so I'm going to activate it, both of these at once. So activate and then just click on apply. Okay, so both of them are now activated, so now we can proceed to the next step. So once you're done activating both of them, we're going to go back to the dashboard, and the first thing that you're going to see after you activate both of these plugins is here you can see forums. All right, so if I go to all forums, you can see this interface comes up. So here what we're going to do here is we're going to create a new forum. Okay, just click on add new, and now you can add any type of forum you want here. So here you can give any type of title you want, like welcome to WordPress tutorial, and here you can type in the details. Here we teach everything about WordPress. All right, now then just click on publish. So this is published now. So we created this forum. Now what we need is topics. All right, so to create topics, just go to this topics option and then just go to add new. All right, so go to add new, and we're going to add some topics here. So here we're going to give this topic a name, like let's say best themes on WordPress. All right, so we're going to do what are the best themes on WordPress I can get for free. Just click on publish. Alright, once that is published, we want to create, I'm gonna create a page next. Alright, so just click on add new. So here in the page section, I'm going to give it a title. Okay, before that, to make this interface much more easier, I'm going to get another plugin. Alright, so we're gonna go to the dashboard and go to plugins and add new plugin. So we're gonna get this classic editor. It's gonna make this interface much more easier. Okay, activate. Alright, so once it's activated, if I reload this page, so you can see here it is much more easier. Okay, so now I'm going to add a title like new forum, and here I'm going to add a code. Now you can see here this website, you can just go to this website here and you'll find this short code which you're going to type in. So this will display your entire forum index. All right, so that is this code is for. So just copy this code and then go to here in the text, just paste it. All right, after that just click on update. All right, now it's done. So now remember, what we're doing here is we're creating a page, the forum to go on right now. All right, okay, so you can see that it's written welcome to WordPress tutorial. So let's click and go to it, see how it looks inside. So it looks pretty blank, so we're gonna go back. So the reason it's showing blank is, I'm going to tell you right. So we're going to turn this topic into a parent. All right, so once you come back here, you're gonna go to topics and click on all topics. All right, so we have this topic here, best themes on WordPress. So you see this, we need to attach this to the forum. Okay, so let's get in here. So here in the forums here, you can see here you have to attach welcome to WordPress tutorial. Once you do that, it's going to get, so we selected this one. Okay, so now click on update. All right, so that means whenever someone presses welcome to WordPress, it's going to be best, they're going to see the best themes on WordPress. All right, so we've customized this and added a theme, and you can see here it looks like this. So we were here, welcome to WordPress tutorial. Once I click on WordPress tutorial, it comes to this type of interface. You can see here, and it says this topic is empty. So you can see here it's written here, what are the best themes on WordPress can I get for free? I can get for free. So the same thing I wrote here. So if I go inside, you can see here welcome to WordPress tutorial. Okay, so it shows us the only the text that we linked it to. Okay, all right, so let's say that you want to create a sticky. All right, so what are you gonna do then? Just go to topics and add a new topic. All right, so here I'm going to give a title called read the rules first. All right, let's make it a bit more professional. Or first. All right, okay, and we're gonna just give the description as testing. All right, and here you can see here there are a lot of options here. So here on forum, we're going to give welcome to WordPress tutorial. Now remember, these are topics. Now topics go under the forum. That's why I'm giving this here. All right. And for type, I want to put in sticky. All right. All right. Now the difference between sticky and super sticky is that the super sticky, if we give the super sticky, then it will go to the way top. All right. And the sticky will remain on bottom of the super sticky. All right. I hope that was understandable. So now let's go ahead and publish this right away. All right. All right. So sticky. So since it's too super sticky sticks out more than the sticky, we'll stick in the super sticky, and then we'll just update it. Okay, so now this will be in the way top. All right, so now it should be here. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. All right, so if we go back, and let's refresh the page one more time. Now you can see here, read the rules first. It's in the way top. All right, it's in the way top, so 58 seconds ago. Okay, so now let's go and create another topic. All right, so now we're going to click on add new. All right, let's create another topic, and let's give this title before you start talking about WordPress, click, not cluck, it's gonna be click here. And now add some text here. Get some dummy text. Let's get some dummy text. All right, so type in lorem. And from this website, we're gonna get some dummy text. Not all of that, just this part here. Copy and then paste it here. All right. So we got our dummy text right here. So next we're gonna change this type from normal to sticky, and the forum to welcome to WordPress tutorial. All right. Now in the status, you can keep it open. Basically it stays open. All right. But for instance, like if there is a lot of heat going on in this topic, then you might wanna stop, spam it, close it, or just trash it. All right. So right here, I'm gonna click on publish now. All right, so now it's published. And again, if you want to add tags, you can do that. Like you can add WordPress, then you can add, let's say, programming. All right, so just add them. All right, and then update. So we've made this sticky right here, right? So let's go ahead and see how it looks on the forum. All right, so reload the page. All right, so you can see here it looks like this. Before you start talking about WordPress, click here. So you can see here it's very simple how you add these topics. All right, so very simple, just go to forums, All right, so after forums you can just click here and it will just take you here, all of these topics. You can see here viewing 4 topics here. All right, so welcome to WordPress tutorials. This is the read the rules first before you start talking about WordPress. Click here, and these are all the other ones. All right, so basically we created a forum now and we created some topics for it. Okay, so let's go back to forums and let's see if I want to add new forum. I can just add new forum. Now in the far right you can see here it's gonna say it's type. So in the far right here in the type you can see it says type, and if I go here it says forum and category. All right, so here what you're going to do here is if you select category, you're going to create a category and inside there will be all of these forums. All right, so a lot of forums. Now I don't know how big you want to make your forum, but it actually consists of that. Okay, so you create a category. Inside the category there are a lot of forums. All right, so here for instance if I put here WooCommerce plugins, WooCommerce plugins. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and paste this here, and then I'm going to publish this. All right, so now I'm basically gonna show you what a category is. All right, so personally I don't recommend categories. All right, so basically once you're here we're gonna click on it. You can see here WooCommerce plugins. All right, so this forum is empty, so here you can just post all different forums. All right, so it basically works as the same as this one. Welcome to WordPress tutorial. All right, so that's basically it. All right, also guys, you can actually make this a parent of a forum. All right, so let's go and change this category back to forum. All right, then just click on update. It's gonna update it just like that. And let's say I want this to want to make this a parent to the other one. All right, so once you're done you can just click on update. So basically now once you click on update, it's gonna get updated. And then if I go back here and reload it, so you can see here WooCommerce plugin is a forum now. All right, so if I go here you can see here it's the forum is added here in the WooCommerce plugin. Now I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. All right, so this is a category and it's a parent, and this has gone into this parent category right here. All right, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to topics and I'm going to add a new topic. All right, so now I'm going to give this a title for like best plugins of this year, and I'm just going to add some dummy text. All right, so once it's done, I'm going to set this as WooCommerce plugin, then click on publish. And now we're gonna go back here. So if we go back, so now here if I click on this WooCommerce plugins right here, all right, so best plugins of this year, now you understand that this is just parent of this. So this is the parent of this here. All right, so now you understand it, right? So now we're going to try and change some of this site. If we have some changes, change some of the widgets. All right, so if I so basically that's how you create a forum right now. All right, so you can just see here members and all of these. There is this one member here, admin, and if you want to see when he was last active, you can see that last active. All right, so active members only 1, so members would just gather up. All right, so that is basically how you create a plugin. and I showed you basically how the posts are going to work, how they're going to add post. And so this is basically how you're going to do that. All right, so I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you have any problem, please ask me. No problem. Okay.